Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to draw a Tesla Model X easy step by step. First, let's begin by lightly sketching the main body shape. Think of it as a long rectangle with slightly rounded corners. Next, gently curve the top line to form the roof and windshield, giving it that sleek, aerodynamic profile. Don't forget to add two simple circles for the wheel arches, one near the front and one towards the back. Keep your lines light for now, as we'll refine them soon. Now, let's bring in some of the Model X's iconic features. Carefully draw the Falcon wing doors, making sure they extend upwards and slightly outwards. Next, sketch the slim, horizontal headlights and the minimalist front grille, which is characteristic of Tesla vehicles. Don't forget to add the small, aerodynamic side mirrors and the flush door handles, which are almost invisible when closed. These details really start to make your drawing recognizable. Moving on, let's focus on the wheels and windows. Inside the wheel arches, draw the actual wheels, adding details for the rims and tires. Tesla wheels often have a clean, multi-spoke design. Then, define the side windows, ensuring they follow the roofline smoothly. Don't forget the large rear window and the subtle line indicating the panoramic windshield, which extends far back into the roof. These elements add depth and realism to your Model X. For our final slide, it's time to refine and finish your drawing. Carefully erase any initial guidelines that are no longer needed, leaving only your clean outlines. Now, add some subtle shading to give your Model X a three-dimensional look, especially under the body and around the wheel wells. Finally, go over your main lines with a slightly darker pencil or pen to create a crisp, finished appearance. You've successfully drawn a Tesla Model X.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.